Sorry you have been blocked Discord fix. Knowing how to fix this sorry you have been blocked issue in Discord is vital knowledge, as there have been a lot of people who are experiencing this issue. So there are a couple of things that we are going to be doing in order to try to fix this one. The first one being is updating our PC. So how are we going to do that? Just go ahead and type here update, and you should see an option here. It says check for updates. Go ahead and click this one right here. As you can see, I have just updated my PC, but in your case, if this has been updated for quite a while, just go ahead and hit check for updates in here. Now, if there are necessary updates, go ahead and install that one. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to disable our Microsoft Defender firewall. So just go ahead and type here firewall, and you should see an option that says firewall and network protection. Go ahead and open this one, and then we're going to go ahead and click the domain network, and then we're going to have to disable this one to see if this works for you. And then if not, go ahead and enable it once again, and then try another solution showed in here. Now, if you have already disabled the Microsoft firewall, go ahead and try to restart your PC and see if it is going to work. Now, this time I'm going to go ahead and show you how to try to fix this one using our web browser. So first things first, go ahead and click this one right here, and then go ahead and click manage extensions. Now, if you have recently installed an extension that you think might be hindering your Discord, go ahead and remove that one. So just go ahead and click the remove button, just like so. And you're going to do the same thing for all the others that you think might be one of the reason why this is happening. After doing that one, go ahead and try to open your Discord once again and see if it works. Now, the next thing that we are going to try is clearing our browsing data. So we're just going to go ahead and hit Ctrl H, and then you should see something like this. Click clear browsing data, hit advance, and then we're going to click this one, and we're going to choose all the time. Now go ahead and try to check everything in here and hit clear data, just like so. Click OK, got it. And there you go. So as you can see, we don't have any data in here. Now we're going to go ahead and open Discord. Now, if that still doesn't work, the last thing that we are going to do is update our browser. So go ahead and click this one right here, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see help, and then click about Google Chrome. So as you can see, it is updating my Chrome right now, so that is very important. We're just going to have to wait for this one to be done. Okay. So it seems like there is an update, so we're going to relaunch this one. Alright, Chrome is up to date right now. So yep, those are the things that you are going to do in order to try to fix this problem. Now comment down below which of the solution worked best for you. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.